Hello, Loreal. Do you have a platinum over there? I don't think so. And this was not what I was going for. I was going for a platinum. This is where you're being tempted to damage your hair, but I'm not going to be tempted. Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? I'm back again with another tutorial. This is me, Hilda, and my channel name is SassyHilda. I'm back again with a new tutorial, and this is about dyeing my hair. I'm going to be coloring my hair. As you can all see, I cut my hair. I'm no longer wearing a long natural hair, but I'm wearing a low cut, and this happened in the summer when I went on holiday in Spain, and it was so hot I couldn't take the heat anymore. I had to go scrape my hair because I think I wanted a new look. Though I didn't think about it, but I just went straight to the salon and I cut my hair. This is how it looked. My hair was really bad, and after cutting my hair, this is how it looked. So we are going to jump right into this tutorial, but before I start, I would like to thank you all for visiting my channel and staying by and watching me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you're new to my channel, please go ahead and press the red bell. Thanks to all of you who have subscribed already to my channel, and I'm really grateful. You can also comment and like it, and you can also share this video as well. So I will hit straight into this tutorial. The product I'm going to be using is an Oxydant cream, volume 20, and it's also equivalent to 6%. And I'm going to be using a blue bleaching cream, which is also needed for mixing with this Oxydant cream. I will just need to mix all the products together, and I'll be mixing it in a bowl with this brush. I'll be using it on my hair. And there are some things that I need to talk about when it comes to dyeing your hair. You need to be very careful. If you don't know how to do it, it's better you look at a lot of videos, or you can ask. Well, I've been doing dyeing of hair for a long time, even when I was very young. I've been dyeing my hair, you know, and also weave-ons. And also I've been going to salons, so I've been asking questions, even things that I didn't know, I've always asked, you know. So the thing is, what I'm trying to say is you need to be very careful, because these products are very hot and they can damage your hair, you know. So the best thing is you read the descriptions and you follow the directions on it and do it properly. But also I would like to say, number one thing, you need to be very careful when you want to apply the color on your hair. I mean the bleach on your hair. You don't need to put it on the root of your hair. You need to start on the surface, like on the top of your hair. Even though my hair is very short, I would do it gently. Even if I'm using the comb, I'll just use it gently on my head, and then my scalp will be the last step. I would then put it, after a while when I see the color of the hair I started changing, then that's the time I can apply it on my scalp. Don't do it on your scalp immediately. That should be the first thing. And number two, if you feel like it's getting too hot and you feel like it's itching you, please don't scratch it. Just make sure you go to the bathroom, you wash it out gently with a proper shampoo, and that's it. Number three, if you know you're allergic to it, please don't do it at home. Go to a professional that can do it for you. And number four, if you see that when you're dyeing your hair and it's changing already, you don't need to wait 50 minutes. You just need to wash it out. That's the best thing to do. And I'm just going to start mixing the product on my hair, so stay tuned. So first, I'm going to pour in a powder with a measurement. There's a little spoon that came with the bleaching powder. I'm not very good at measuring. I'll just see the quantity I need. I just add the quantity I need. I'm going to be using a full spoon because I have a short hair. But taking a quantity will depend on the length of your hair. My hair is very short, and I don't think I need too much. So I just poured it in, and oh, the spoon says this is 25 milliliter, and that's a full spoon, which I just poured inside this bowl. I'm going to pour the developer amount of Oxydant cream into the bleaching powder. I just need to keep stirring it until they are well mixed. and then it gives me a kind of a thick paste. Make sure you mix it very well. This stinks really bad. The smell is really strong. You just keep it away from your face and just keep stirring. This video is not the first video you can find on YouTube doing this. There are tons of videos on YouTube on how to use a developer and a powder to bleach your hair. But really, it all depends on people, how you apply it. And many people have a lot of different ways and how they teach you online on YouTube. But really, you need to find out from a professional the videos, and then you put one or two things together to make sure that you really apply it well. And if you're too scared to apply it directly on your head, you need to try it on a little piece of hair, maybe like a weave on, and just try it first before you start applying it on your head. I think we have a paste here, we have a proper mix of the two products. I'll start applying it to my hair. I'm supposed to be wearing a glove, but since I'm not going to be touching it with my hand, I'll just be using the brush and gently applying it on top of my head, not on my scalp. Just the way I'm doing it. I'll put it on the edges carefully. To be frank, this is not really difficult. It's all about being careful, doing the right thing, reading the instructions. So I'm just doing it carefully at the edges of my head before I start going backward. If you can't do this by yourself, you have a friend at home, you can as well ask someone to help lay it on your hair, because it's not also easy to start applying it on your head, especially if you have a long hair. To see the back of your hair is not that easy, so you might need an extra help from somebody to help you apply it. Now I'm going to start applying it on my scalp, because if I don't do this, then it's not going to dry properly. I'm just brushing it like I'm sketching a line on the scalp of my head, just to make sure that the bleach goes right into my scalp. If there's need, you have to dye your hair 3 to 4 times. Please go ahead, do it, but don't do it in a day. You can take like 4 week space, sorry, you can take like 4 days space or 5 days space, or a week. Even a week will be enough for you to like decolor it again. Don't just try to do it at once, because it could damage and burn your hair, and that you don't want to happen on your hair. So just do the first one, the first dye, and if it doesn't take all the color at once, don't worry, just repeat it again and again until you get the color you want. You can't just try to do it once and think it's going to work. It depends on your hair texture though. But really, if you have already like gold hair and you want to achieve platinum, then the process won't be that long like someone who has a black jet hair, or who has a natural color hair and you want to turn it into platinum, or you want to turn it into gold. Then you will need to do it several times. So now that I have this done, I will let it sit for about some time. I don't know exactly the time, but the maximum time I can keep it on my hair will be 50 minutes. But I'll keep it so it can sit for a while, and if I see the color changing, then I can go out to the bathroom and wash it out with a shampoo. And the shampoos that I have to wash this hair would be, for example, shampoos that don't have ammoniac. I don't know ammoniac, how do you say that? Ammoniaco in Spanish? Well, the shampoo that I'm going to be using, it's a special shampoo I got from a beauty store for professionals. And this product is called Keratin, and it's a special shampoo for hair dye. It has good qualities that can help reboost your hair. It has like keratin, arginine, and collagen. These ingredients are really good. Like it says, it's a major structural component of hair that penetrates, fills, and damages areas and repairs hair from inside, making it resilient, smooth, and shiny. So all these things are, all these ingredients are very important. Ammoniac is one of the ingredients that you can't find in this shampoo, because ammoniac it's really strong and it can damage your hair. But it's something that beauty products needs, and we can't do anything about it. But in this shampoo, this is a special shampoo for colored hair, and it protects the hair from not washing out so quickly. And also I got this product from a beauty store in London. It's a shampoo. What it does is it helps you take away the yellowish color from your hair. So if you want to achieve from blonde to platinum, this is the right product you can use. So I'm quickly going to apply the shimmer on my dyed hair. As you can see, I've cut my hair, and this is the style I want to go for, but I just need to color it to platinum. So I'm going to apply the shimmer on my hair. And I'm going to let the shampoo sit for about 5 minutes before I wash it out. So this is how it looks now after washing with the shampoo. This is the Daylight, and it's a milkshake for platinum. It's number 9.01, and it's going to give me the platinum I really want for my hair. So I'm just going to start applying it in a bowl. So after mixing it, the quantity I used was just almost half of the tube, and I'm going to let it sit on my hair for about, let's say, 20 minutes. And I'll be mixing it with a volume 10% of Oxydant cream. And we go back to mixing into paste. So here we go. I'm first applying in the middle because I have longer hair there, and then I'll start applying on the other sides. So guys, this is how the hair came out. I'm not really happy with it because the product actually wrote it's going to turn into a platinum, but it ended up turning into a dark gray, and this was not what I was going for. I was going for a platinum. Hello Loreal, do you have a platinum over there? I don't think so. Anyways, this is how it looks. I'm glad the bleaching of the hair was okay. I took all my time. It really bleached well, like the way I wanted it. But the product I used, the last product from L'Oreal, is really not it. And it wrote platinum, but I don't know why it turned out to be like this. But this is what it is. And I'm not going to do anything to my hair, because this is where you're being tempted to damage your hair. But I'm not going to be tempted. I'm just going to stick to it for now. Make use of the hair, like enjoy it. And then I would need to find another product, which is going to be a part 2 of this tutorial. I'm going to look for a right product that really says platinum. I'm going to try it, because this is also good for all of you to know what product really works and what doesn't work, because sometimes they say this is what it's going to give you and it ends up giving you another thing. So don't be frustrated, don't be disappointed, just keep enjoying your hair, and most of all, don't get tempted, because if you get tempted, you bleach your hair afterwards, like immediately, then you're going to damage your hair, and that's not what we want to do. So this tutorial was actually to educate you and to inspire you as well. If you have any question or anything you don't understand about this tutorial, please write it down on the comment and I'll reply you. And all the product that I used in this video, I'm definitely going to write them down in the description, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for watching, and see you next on my next tutorial. Bye everyone.